Good morning again. We're going to start off with Group Unstoppable. Group, keep turning your books to page 271. Turning your math books to page 271. Let's look at number one. Number one wants us to write the missing numbers. Notice we have 5 plus an unknown number will give us 12. 5 plus what will give you 12? Would it be 6? No, 5 plus 6, that'll give us 11. We're close, not 6. 7. Good job. So 5 plus 7 will give us 12. Now, here's a very similar number, very similar problem. 7 plus what? 7 plus an unknown number will give you 12. 7 plus 5. Good job. 7 plus 5 will give you 12. So that's how you solve number one. Let's look at number two, dealing with the greater than or less than sign. So the first set of numbers that we have 126 and 162. So 126, is that greater than or less than 162? What is that? Less than, that is correct. Next, dealing with 37 and 40. Is 37, is that greater than or less than 40? Less than. Good job. So that's how you solve number two. Like we have been continually practicing on for our homework assignments, dealing with the greater than and less than sign. Good job. So looking at number three, we're writing 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction facts. That's what they want you to do for number three. So let's look here. Let's read how many dots we have for the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. So of course 5 goes here. Now how many dots we have here? We have 2, 4, 6. So 5 plus 6, what does that equal? Of course you add them together. It's 5 plus 6 if you don't know. That's 11. Now let's interchange it, swap it. Let's go over here. 2, 4, 6. 6 goes there. And that should be 5. And what is 6 plus 5? That is also 11. Now, as we look at number four has 2 certain instructions for us. So we look at the birds. The first one says circle the bird at the top. So you find the bird at the top and you circle that. And then you're going to underline the bird at the right. So at the right, you're going to underline the bird. Now, as we move on to number 5, we're simply writing the before and after numbers by 1. Just by 1 for this time. So what comes before 150? What number comes before 150? 149. Now, what comes after? 149, 150, 150 what? Great, 151. Now, number 6 is very similar, but it wants you to find out the before and after numbers by 2. By 2. The previous problem is by 1, but this time it's by 2. So 160. What comes before 160 but by 2's? By 2's. Alright? Number 158. Now what comes after? 158, 160, 162. Awesome. 162 is next in that sequence. As we flip the page over to 272, number 1 wants us to write the differences. If you need help, you can use the gumballs. That's for number 1. Now let's move on down to number 2. We are writing the sums. Here we have 23 plus 48. So we're trying to figure out what is the answer to 23 plus 48. So start off with this 8 plus 3. What is 8 plus 3? That is 11. The 1 goes there. You carry 1 over to your neighbor, 10's place. Now, what is 2 plus 4? What is 2 plus 4? That is 6. And what is 6 plus 1? What is 6 plus 1? That is indeed 7. So, 23 plus 48, that answer is 71. So that's how you solve those particular problems for number 2. Now let's look at number 3 with the times. So, as we look at number 3, we're simply setting the clock to the next time in the pattern. Notice, we have 2, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock. What is next? Notice the pattern is counting by twos for this first particular problem. We'll do it again. So 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock. What is next? 8 o'clock. So you'll draw the hands for 8 o'clock. That's how you solve those particular problems for that question. So notice there's a pattern for each clock, and then you go with the trend to figure out to draw the next set of hands of time.